So you are in business and you produce your PDFs in the form of lead magnets and you send them through your distribution channels. It could be WhatsApp, it could be Facebook, it could be Instagram or any other channel. And then you are hoping that this lead magnet is doing its rounds, trying to speak to people and trying to get you some leads like it is supposed to. But what has happened is it has disappeared into the digital void. You do not know where it has gone. You do not know how many people have seen it. Have they engaged with any of your content? So all that you have put into it, all that years of experience, your expertise, your competency, all of it has been poured into this book, only to realize that you do not know what happened after you hit that enter button. So to solve this problem, I have created something I call the video book funnel. So what does it look like? So this is how it looks like a book. Now what does it do? So open the book. What I have done is that I have embedded videos in your lead magnet. So you speak to your customer in your language and in your voice. And when you speak your voice, you are sprinkling your DNA into your lead magnet. So your voice
blockbuster drugs for type 2 diabetes, helping someone with insulin resistance. So as far as helping you lose weight, berberine doesn't directly melt any fat off your body. What it does is it goes deeper into the reason why people are overweight in the first place.
So you get the idea, right? So what you have done here is that you have put in your videos. Now, there are two benefits to it. One, the entire population of the planet is aging. A lot more people are young. They prefer watching videos. Not many people read today. So give your audience a medium that engages them. So videos are in. The second point, whenever they see these videos, you are driving traffic to your YouTube because these videos are embedded in your YouTube. So if there are 1 lakh people watching 8 videos inside this book, your video or your YouTube channel got 8 lakh traffic. So that does an amazing magic to your YouTube channels as well. Next, what then happened is that I've also borrowed expertise of seasoned doctors who have put in a lot of research and published their research as videos on YouTube. So I bring them here. So you borrow their authority in your lead magnet and then position yourself as their equivalent. So people who are looking at your lead magnet are also looking at the other kind of expertise that you have researched for and then formulating your solution. Now, again, as I said, there are many more videos that I have put in here. It's all for us to see. A few more videos on specific topics, right? So here I am speaking about the benefits. How do you consume berberine? And what are the other benefits that berberine delivers, right? So it's a lead magnet complete with value. Now, if a lead magnet can give so much value, what is the value that you can give as a businessman, right? So that's the whole power of how your video book funnel works. Then, to reduce your risk, what you have also done is you have added a few more perspectives of berberine, not just diabetes. Here you have used something else, other perspective of why you should use berberine. Now, you can reduce your risk further. How do you do that? So you become an affiliate to one company that does genuine production of berberine and you embed it here. And the customer in the mood of purchasing or in the fear of missing out can buy it directly from your lead magnet. Now what you're doing is your affiliate links get activated and you make your money, right? So multiple benefits. Now all this is done. Now I'm I don't want to wait. I want to get in touch with you. So don't give them the opportunity to press a button, note your number, note your email ID, go to their email engine and then start mailing or getting in touch with you. I have put in the WhatsApp number. You click this and then your WhatsApp opens and the conversation starts then and there. So this is the power of the video book funnel. Many more chapters, many more features, many more benefits that help you do your business. Please watch this space and I will come back to you with more and more value. Until then, thank you so much and you have a lovely day.